today's problem from pair of straight line, and the problem is prove that one of the straight lines represented by the equation ax cube plus bx square y plus cxy square plus dy cube, this is equal to 0. We will bisect the angle between the other two if this relation holds. Since it is says that one straight line represented by the given line or given equation will bisect the angle between the other. So we let here one straight line be as y, this is equal to mx. Let it be 1. Okay, and bisect the angle between the other. So other pair of straight line is given by px square plus 2qxy plus ry square, this is equal to 0. Let it be 2. So we can write that the given 3-degree polynomial, this is homogeneous of x and y, which is given by ax cube plus bx square y plus cxy square plus dy cube. This can be written as, this is y minus mx into px square plus 2qxy plus ry square. Okay, because this into this is given by this. Now comparing the equal power from both sides of this relation, we get a, this is given by a is given by minus p m, this is the power of x cube, and b which is given by x square y. So we get here x square y means the power of x square y 2m cube, and this is plus p, and c is xy square. So we get xy square means minus rm plus x square y means minus 2m cube, and the d is given by the coefficient of y cube, which is given by r only. Okay, and we name this relation as the relation number 3. Here we make a small mistake. This is minus, not minus 2mq, this is only 2q, and this is also plus, because this is 2qxy into y, this is xy square. So the coefficient of c is this. Okay, this is the correct comparison. Now we first find the equation of bisector of the given pair. Okay, equation of bisector of 2 is given by, equation of bisector can be written as x square minus y square, this is xy, by the coefficient of x, this is p, minus the coefficient of y square, this is r, and the coefficient of xy, this is q. Okay, this is coefficient of 2xy, and since one of them, that is these two equation of bisector, one of them is given by y equal to mx. So we can put y, this is equal to mx in this relation, and getting the result as x square minus m square x square by p minus r, this is equal to x into mx by q, since y, this is equal to mx. Okay, and by cancel out x square from both sides, we get the result as q into 1 minus m square, this is equal to m into p minus r. Right, now from here we find out the value of p minus r. What is r? R is equal to d, and what is p? P, this is equal to minus a by m. So p minus r, this is equal to minus of a by m plus d, and putting the value of p minus r here and getting the result q into 1 minus m square, this is equal to m into, this is minus A by M plus D. Also, from this relation, we find the value of Q. What is the value of Q? Q is given by C plus Rm by 2. Okay, and we get the value of R. This is equal to D. So we get C plus Dm by 2. Now this value of Q is also put here and get the result as C plus Dm into m square minus 1. This is given by 2 into am plus dm. Okay, sorry, this is not am, this is a plus dm. And multiplying this, we get a cubic equation of m as d mq, and the second term is plus c m square. Third term is minus 2 dm plus, sorry, this is minus of c minus 2a. This is not minus, this is plus. Okay, we get the relation here and let it be the relation number 4. Okay, so we get relation number 4, and this is not 2d, this is 3d, right? This is minus 2d and here is also minus d. So this is minus 3dm. We get this relation. Also from the given relation B, okay, B, this is equal to P minus 2mq. What is put the value of P and Q from this and this? We get the relation as minus A by M minus 2m into Q. The value is C plus dm by 2. Okay, 2 cancel out and we get the result as minus A plus m square into C plus dm, right? And the left side is B into m. We multiply the LCM m here and getting the result as this is b mq plus c m square plus bm plus a. This is equal to 0, and we name this relation as relation number 5. Now by subtracting relation number 4 from relation number 5, we get, that is 5 minus 4, we get. What we get? The given relation or getting relation as bm plus a plus 3dm plus c plus 2a. This is equal to 0, and we get b plus 3d into m. This is given by minus c plus 3a. That is, we get m, this is equal to minus c plus 3a by b plus 3d. Okay, we get the value of m. Now we put the value of m, we name first, this is relation number 6. Now from relation number 5, we get, taking count first m square and get c plus dm, and we write minus a plus bm in the right side, that is m square, this is equal to minus a plus bm by c plus dm. Okay, now putting the value of m from relation number 6 here, we get the result as this is minus c plus 3a by b plus 3d whole square. Okay, and the right side is minus a plus, this is b into minus c plus 3a by b plus 3d by, this is this is c plus d into minus c plus 3a by b plus 3d. Okay, and now we calculate first the right side. This is given by minus of a into b plus 3d minus b into c plus 3a by, this is C into B plus 3D minus D into C plus 3. Now if we multiply this term here and multiply this term here, we get our required result. Clearly our required result is given by C plus 3a whole square into this term is equal to BC plus 2CD minus 3AD. Okay, and in the right side we first write B plus 3D whole square into the last term is BC plus 2AB minus 3AB. Okay, and this complete our proof, and this is very important problem of pair of straight line. Okay, thank you for watching.